Hey, I'm Tanya. I'm a fashion illustrator, graphic designer, and an artist. In this course, I will teach you how to begin with drawing by teaching you line exercises. It's going to be like drawing warm up. Then we will jump on to drawing the croquis template for the fashion illustrations so that you can easily draw your garments without having to worry about drawing the human anatomy or the figure. I will teach you how to trace, how to draw rough and the fair illustration, how to fine line it, what to use, what not to, how to draw skin, how to color the garment, and then adding details to it like outlining and then adding prints to it. Not only hand drawn illustrations, you will also learn how to draw digitally. I will teach you Procreate, its basics, and how to draw fashion illustrations and garments using prints and gradients, etc. I'm sure that it is going to be amazing for you to get started with illustrations. But if you still have any doubts, feel free to ask me. You can Instagram me or email me. I would be more than happy to help. Happy learning.